how to make a game. We need a 9-volt battery, snap clip connector, and a buzzer and LED connector resistor, and a thick copper wire, key ring, and a crocodile clip, and a thermocouple. Okay, first take this hard copper wire and this thermocouple. And first you need to put the key ring like this and put it like this. And you get this like this. And take 9-volt. Okay, now connect these things. Like this. And you need to test this is working or not. You can bend one buzzer lead like this so you can know what is positive and what is negative. And you can see this bright. This both works. So you need to just connect this. You need to connect this in this key ring. Okay? And you need this. Connect it right here. Okay? And you need to make sure this is there. And put these over here. And connect it a little here. And put it down like this. And you can even put some tape. And your game is ready. Okay? Now let's play the game. Oh, I lost. So I need to do it all again. You have 3 choices. Oh, I lose. So we can play again. Yeah, I won. Let's try again. Oh my lord, this is hard. Yeah.